What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Katanat Divisional Forest Officer Giant Hills Wildlife Division Juwai Hagashipo Trik Rusau Kalapan Kutno Yakatayo Lekman Wildlife Week Ha District Library Auditorium Mentong Juwai Halor Kapang Human Animal Coexistence Ha kanigasngi ladan lang ka MLA Sutnga Saipung ka Kong Santa Mary Shylla kum ka Kong San Kadbao District and Sessions Judge West Giant Hills District Juwai Nur An Khan ulalong kum sumbut Kong San. Ka Kong Santa Mary Shylla ha ka jingkren kalakhat ya baro kinong shong shnong bandan ka jingkit kli banyada ya ka maryang da ka bapenslur ki paidbah bentung ding ha ka rukam ka baman ka por khamtam ha ka por tlang bansangye no ya ka jingpom pathar ya ki ding ki si bat pentik na ya ka lawe ka bakhamha na ka banta ki pateng banwan. Ha kanikasngi katanat kalapun ko buram ru da ka kusnam Wildlife Samaritan Award Shakiru Shimet Batkenhun ki bapelat imi ki marat khlaw hapo West Giant Hills District. Shibenta jongan nikasngi lapun long ru ya kijinga ko baper kum ka drawing bat painting na kabenta ki class 6 hadu 8 halor kapang Living in Harmony with Wildlife kajinga ko tho AC na kabenta ki class 9 hadu 10 halor kapang Human Animal Coexistence bat kajinga ko extempore speech competition yaki class 11 bat 12 ki wede ki belayadan lang ha kanikasngi kilong umarikod and parin MDC GHADC bat chairman khlaw blai ka raj ulangdo yonglang community reserve u Meghalaya Sagar IFS Divisional Forest Giant Hills Territorial Division Forest Juwai Kakong and Lalu IFS Divisional Forest Officer Giant Hills Wildlife Division Juwai Mabi Lingdo MFS Divisional Forest Officer Social Forestry Division Giant Hills Juwai Ma S Lao Range Forest Officer Juwai but Umkyang Wildlife Rangers Mabi Japang MFS Assistant Conservator of Forest Social Forestry Division Giant Hills Juwai Nalor Kiway
All the people of East Giant Hills could be in Arpo area, could be the Sumer area, Clear area, the Batao area, all of them can come and then see what you done and what you're doing to preserve the forest. It's very important to do the awareness program for our people. So, indeed, our people still lack of lot of things. Ma yu bai pijan bo cha chini cha juai cha po city rapsong to but they are educated, but our people there are still, they have lots to learn. Yu bai pijan atang khlaw katula kawa sing ha chi jun cultivation is also one problem in our state and also in our district also. That also need to be you need to be aware of all these things, that we should preserve our forests, because as everybody is saying, the speakers earlier have said that it's very important to preserve our forests. Tengayo yo oklame prisibon gantian, tekwa ongi pihini por wa iwi amlang hini, we let us all contribute to the society, to the community, and to nature especially.
I can just say in a very simple word from ordinary man's parlance that the environment is nature and nature is God. And I was just thinking that what do I speak that is going to make an impact in your mind? And nowadays what we see is that what the corporate do, or when the brands they do, is they have some punch lines, some lines which is there which you can always remember. So I'll start with some few beautiful lines which is dealing with the environment and the wildlife. First, I would like to remind you one thing, that if you can't build a nest, don't destroy it. Protect wildlife, preserve life. Extinction is, if anything goes off, any plant or species goes off, it goes off forever, it will never come back. Be kind to everything, or be kind to every kind. Every animal deserves respect. Now, the most important thing is that anything beautiful, it's very tempting. You like to touch, you like to keep it with you, you like to own it. So sometimes everything which is beautiful is not to be touched, not to be destroyed. And if you are a person who likes to destroy beautiful things, then there's something wrong with you.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.